Here we are, guys, at Newark Woodworking Show. Just about to go in there and check out some cool woodworking stuff. See you in there. Oh, yes. Right, we're here at Odie's Oil at the Midlands show, and we're here with Eddie, who's doing demonstrations on the Odie's Oil. So we've made a sign for Lumberjack, which we're going to present to them. So we're just going to finish it now with some of this Odie's Oil and see how it comes up. It's looking beautiful.
Spreads really easy as well.
The lustre from here through the camera is absolutely stunning.
These are all now fully waterproof.
Let's get a look at the live edge.
Well, because it's a wood finish.
Right, so it is. It's spreading well, isn't it?
Well, that was a tiny little bit.
Yeah. How about the end grain?
Stay on the surface. That's why it happens, and that's why it peels and flakes off, and why you can't reapply Osmo over the top of it, because it doesn't adhere very well to itself. Okay, with Odie's there are no sanding limits.
Yeah. So that's going to really penetrate into there now and just give it really good protection. Need to buff it off. Oh no, you need to wait a bit, don't you?
Taking very little off as well.
Yeah. I would say it's giving it a really nice protective layer.
The oil is just a go-to product where you start your journey. So what I can do is enhance it from there by going to the butter on the back. Really what you want. One of those. I could make one of those. It's 20 square feet.
Well, I think you're supposed to leave it on for a little bit before you wipe it off, aren't you?
Scrubbing them straight off.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, because she says what you do is you take excess off, and then the next 6 days it'll... That's proper pop like that.
Yeah, it has. So there we go. We've got that nice and finished now. We'll give it a rub down and then we'll go present it to Lumberjack. Right, hi guys, we've got Orla's cast iron 10-inch table saw set up that we got from Lumberjack. Got everything tuned in now, everything's squared up, everything's running lovely. So we're going to get some of this Odie's oil that we got from the amazing guys at Odie's. So what we're going to do is we're going to take what's in this lid, just a little bit, and just rub it on the bed, which will give it some nice protection. Well, the idea of this stuff apparently is it's just like literally wipe it on, get a good coating of it, and then wait 5 minutes, give it a rub off. But it can be used on leather, it can be used on wood, can be used on metal. Its versatility is absolutely incredible. But like I say, this should just give it a nice lustre, keep it protected, and also help the material slide on the bed, because it is essentially a wax. Oh, lovely and shiny. So again, you don't need a lot, it's just working it. So the gentleman that we spoke to at Odie said that this is pretty much the best way to apply it. So in little circular like motion, keeping it really close.
It smells nice.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Proper smells fruity.
But the guys at Odie's, I can't remember his name now. Is it Eddie?
Eddie, yeah.
Eddie, like really knowledgeable guy on the product. Every question we had to ask, he gave us a concise and honest answer, which you can't say fairer than that.
It's definitely making it shine.
It is, isn't it?
It's just different how it works on everything, isn't it, rather than just wood?
Yeah, it is, yeah. Like you say, we use Rubio quite a lot on the wooden stuff that we've done, but we've never tried Odie's oil. And like I say, Simon from Craft Resin, is it? No, not Craft Resin.
No.
I'll find out in a second anyway. But again, really lovely guy. Kate, crafty lass.
Crafty Kate.
But yeah, it's really helpful, knowledgeable guys. I'm real fans of Odie's.
We actually coated, we've got a little video that we'll have into this that shows us coating a plaque that we made for Lumberjack. We actually went and got Odie's oil on the day of the show, and we applied it there and then wiped it all off and everything, and it put a lovely finish on wood as well.
A cracking finish.
But we'll have that picture in videos for you, so you'll be able to see. And this is one or two tools that we got from the Midlands Woodworking show in, where were it now? Newark Showground. So we've got this, and we also got another little gift to ourselves, that
A 2-in-1 thimble and a belt sander.
Yep, bobbin sander.
Bobbin sander, that's the one.
So we will do you a little review on that as well in a few weeks.
So we've given it 5-7 minutes to go. So now we're just going to literally wipe it off, get rid of all the residue. And the advise, we haven't got one, but to use like a linen like towel sort of thing, because it really like gets in there and like pulls it off. But I'm using one of these chamois things, I believe.
When you order the package, you can actually get a couple of towels with the kit.
You can, yeah.
And they're just like terry towels that you used to use for your bairns, right back in old days.
Right back in old days.
remember my mum saying we'll ever have one set of terry towels for all three in you.
So again, just making sure we get rid of all the excess. What do you think of the saw guide? It's incredible, isn't it? Really fancy guard.
Fancy guard, laser light, storage equipment outside, all your measurement tracks, your angle finder, you got your big pull bar, slider bar, but I nearly took Gary's fingers off of then. Sorry, all the line. You've got more storage for that under here. You've got your adjuster there, that's for your tilt. And this one is for your up and down. But it's a cracking bit of kit, guys. We've cut a few things on it just to test it out and get it all squared up and everything, but we're going to be doing a full review on it shortly.
It's got a pedal as well, so you can lift it up and drop it down so it's easily moved around the workshop. Yeah, incredible piece of kit. Like I say, we've not really had a chance to put it entirely through its paces yet, so it's going to be a fair few weeks until we do the full review, just simply because we want to get to know the machine. Right,
which Gary has been doing intimately for the last 2 days.
Yeah.
We'll explain on the full review.
No fault of Lumberjacks anything though, so like I say, I'll get explained in the video. But yeah, there you go guys, it's now all lovely and shiny and protected, so it should help with the sliding of the material and also keep it from weathering and stuff. So cheers guys, see you again next time.